I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tacoma's maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. If your Tacoma has a push-button start, press the power button without touching the brake pedal. Next, press the trip meter reset button until trip A is shown on your display. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. Now press and hold the ODO/trip button firmly. While still holding it, turn your ignition back to the on position. Remember, do not start the engine. Keep holding the button. You should see a series of dashes or a countdown appear on your odometer display. This indicates that the reset process has begun. It's important to hold the button steadily during this step. Continue to hold the ODO/trip button until the odometer display shows all zeros. This usually takes about 5 seconds. Once you see the zeros, you can release the button. At this point, your maintenance required light should be off, indicating a successful reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. If your maintenance light remains on after following these steps, don't worry. Simply go back and repeat the process, ensuring each step is performed precisely. Remember, this light is a reminder for routine service, like an oil change, which is vital for your Tacoma's longevity and performance. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific service intervals. Also, for great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.